So I got an unboxing video for you guys. I don't know if it recorded or not, but beforehand I was shooting a video and I noticed the camera kicked off. So I don't know what footage I got, but we're gonna pick off here. I done open this. It's another package from Allstate Gears. If you're dealing with transmissions or ZF part brake especially, they keep a lot of parts in stock and new units, especially for the ZF. Now, if you've seen my previous unboxing video, let me know in the comment section below. I got one before I ordered these parts. We just got the brake pads and some other stuff, small rebuild bearings and stuff, but turns out we needed more stuff once the man got deeper into it and looked the parts over, because the previous person we built this did not know what they was doing. So this is the parts we got today. I'm going to be showing you them. It's a total 183.40. So we have got one main shaft freeze plug. Now they got it labeled on here, as we've seen before with the other unboxing, that sometimes they don't label stuff the same. This is called Speedo NV4500 Speedo plug. So that plug can be used for your main shaft. You might can find that at a parts store. Wheel flange nut was $1.19. It's right there. U-joint strap kit was $21.88. That's this. The straps was bad on us, and it was missing one or two. It was missing a bolt or two, and you might as well just replace them. The biggest charge was $136.44. Now this is before tax and shipping, of course. Was this guy? This is what was messed up on our unit, and it was sad. Oh, I got a wax paper here. The main shaft right here. Look at that, a brand new machine main shaft. And guess what? It's done got the plug in it. Wow, we could have saved a whole $5.68. They need to put that in the description. I didn't think they would have sent a 45mm plug, but they did. It's actually oiled up, does a spline count. Truth be told, if you ain't got a bearing puller and you got a bad main shaft, it's probably the best way to go, because your bearing and seals go on this. I have a little bit of nicks here. I guess it's got that down the shipment file. Take care of that, because that box has been beat up. That's exactly what it's been tossed around and nicked right there, if you can see. Might email them about that. Might get a partial, see what they want to do. Might get a partial refund or something, because that's fixable. I hated to have to deal with that. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed it. If you have a ZF parking brake setup or RV or anything, check my videos out. I got some on tow trucks. It's basically about got the same drivetrain. I got a video of disassembling this, of course, unit before we ordered parts, and I got a video coming soon of rebuilding this unit. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.